Hanging garland on columns without damage.
Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to hang garland on columns without causing any damage. It's a common decorating dilemma during the holiday season or for special events, but don't worry, we've got the solution.
What you'll need.
The first step to achieving a damage-free decoration is to gather the right materials. For hanging garland on columns, you will need your chosen garland, clear self-adhesive hooks or clips, twist ties or florist's wire, measuring tape. Remember, it's important to choose hooks or clips that are appropriate for the material of your columns and can support the weight of your garland.
Measuring and placement.
The next step is to measure your columns and determine the placement of your hooks or clips. Depending on the size and style of your garland, you might want them closer together or farther apart. However, it's usually a good idea to have hooks or clips at the top, bottom, and middle of the column for the best support.
Attaching the hooks or clips.
Now we're ready to attach our hooks or clips to the columns. Clean the area where you will be placing the hooks with a mild soap and water and let it dry. Then, follow the manufacturer's instructions to attach the hooks or clips. Give them some time to adhere properly before hanging your garland.
Hanging the garland.
With our hooks or clips in place, we can now hang our garland. Start at the top and gently lay the garland into the hooks or clips, securing it with twist ties or florist's wire if necessary. Be careful not to pull or tug too hard on the garland to avoid pulling the hooks off. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can hang garland on your columns without causing any damage. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we wish you luck with your decorating endeavors. Happy decorating!